Hi guys, welcome to this other video tutorial of digital commercial agent, and today I want to show you how you can manage your finances board or settings. Now when you're on the setting panel, you can see that there is a spot for finances. You click on finances, you see there are different options, different menu. Here you click on pending others. Now when you click on pending others, you're going to see the date, the other number, and the status. If you have ordered an article, you will see that the status here will be updated. If it's in pending, it will be in pending. If it's not, it will actually notify that it's not. And of course, for all the articles that you order, here is your earning history. For all your articles that you have ordered, you can see the order number, the order amount. Maybe say the article you ordered was 100,000. you'll see the amount here. The generation, that is your downline, or that either is your downline, which generation that actually offered you or made you earn, and here is your earning, and obviously we have the date. So this is how it works. For you have your order amount, your generation, the generation of your downlines, which actually made you gain the commissions, and the date. Here, that's when you want to have a withdrawal. You can see a withdrawal panel. Here there is the available amount. You input the amount, of course, and the withdrawal amount. This is the amount that you have, your total amount you have in your balance, in your account. And here is the withdrawal amount, anyhow, depending on you. And here you can see that $1 gives 550 francs CFA for Francophone African countries, those who use the franc CFA. And here is the account for Limarket, because if you do not have a Limarket account, you won't be able to withdraw. So if you do not have, you can click here and follow the steps directly in order to have a Limarket account. Here is also a verified account. If you want to verify your account, you just click here and you follow the steps. But I am going to eventually have a video tutorial where I explain to you all the steps to follow in order to verify your account. Here is the withdrawal history to actually refer if you had a withdrawal, and maybe you can that you wanted to actually to notify or to check up on. Here is the affiliate ID. Here is the amount, the payment, the transaction ID. Here is the details. I'm not gonna explain to you what. Anyway, payment method depending on you, Visa card or others. And here is the date. You see, everything has been detailed for you, no loss. And here is the bonus report, some sort of historic that actually record all your bonuses that you had. Here is the affiliate ID and the amount that you sold, the amount of articles you sold, and here are the bonuses that you've gained, and it's automatic, trust me. Here is the date and your. So here in categories is actually meant for more for the support, or how can you say it, for more advanced technical department. But for more information about that part, you can contact Limarket support immediately or directly, anyhow. So thank you guys for watching this episode of digital commercial agent tutorial. I'm going to have more of these tutorials so that you can know how to manage your account. Keep updated do not forget to share.